What's good, guys? So you freaking saw the title of this video. You freaking saw that RiceGum just uploaded a video. He uploaded the music video that we've been waiting for. It's finally here. Yo, this shit better be fire because, yo, sorry for my shirt, it's like broken and shit. But RiceGum has been hyping up the song for the longest while. YouTube.com/RiceGum. Alright. It's about time. It is about time. Yeah. Alright. New music video. Yo, it's finna be lit. It's finna be lit. Let's see. Videos. Yo, 70,000 views in 9 freaking minutes. Where have you seen that before? Where? Only on freaking RiceGum channels, bro. What the hell? Anyways, let's watch the video. And everyone knows what's going on. It's Jake Paul versus Alissa Violet. RiceGum is just coming into it because he loves views. So it's like all about Logan Paul versus Jake Paul. And then Jake Paul somehow roasted Alissa Violet. Now Alissa Violet went to RiceGum. And then RiceGum brought the heat. And then they both combined it. And now it's a fire diss track with a fire music video. Shout out to the boys who helped RiceGum put this together. Let's watch the freaking video. This is the first reaction. I haven't started watching the video or anything. So this is the pure reaction. So I know I've been talking a lot, guys. But let's freaking start the video, bro. Please be lit. Please be lit. Please. Ready, guys? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go. Yo, let me just let this load properly. Let me just pull this back because you know we got the bougie Wi-Fi, bro. So let's pull that back a little bit and let's play it right now. Let's go.
Yo, I wasn't about to go in, but like now it feels like I have to.
Jeez.
I mean, I feel kind of bad, but like.
We're like 8 floors.
Tell that you came with a Disney flow. Ain't nobody ever heard about your Disney show. Got a bitch that remind me of my city.
Yo. Too lit. It's too lit.
Fuck it.
I gotta put it on Snapchat real quick, bro.
I can tell that you came with a Disney flow. Ain't nobody ever heard about your Disney show. Got a bitch that remind me of my cereal. From when I see her, I'm like Cheerio. Yeah, Alissa called asking me if we could win against Jake Paul. I said we beat you like the shirts with the stripes on. I just heard the song Team 10, now I hate y'all. Logan, that will be your last hit like an 8-ball.
Nah, wrong call, yeah, it's Jake, like from State Farm. Get girls with the hooker said you paid for it. Me and Rice in the house with like 8 floors. Ryder Brothers had zero scroll for his acorn.
Hey, you got girls where they at, are you serious? Hey, didn't see him like Ford, I'm just curious. Hey, Alissa said you come fast like the Furious.
Yo, do you see that this man is in a freaking robe, bro? He's in a robe. Which YouTuber wears robe? No YouTuber wears robe. Only RiceGum.
Back to my reflection like a mirror is. Wanna flex on my wrist, I put some ice on it. I didn't wanna make it with it, maybe put some rice on it. Talk shit, now I'm on your head like some rice on it. Heard you used to bully kids back in high school. Second part for the kill, that's what Rice do. Hit it twice, this ain't insta, I don't like you. Gotta put this rice in this beef like some Thai food. You ain't got no bars, no flow like a lake do. Rented cars and that really looking fake too. Let's go back to the bully thing, listen here. Was it back in middle school or was it senior year? Didn't think you'd get caught like an interference. Pick on others just to hide the fact you insecure. How you think they felt when they went home and they were dripping tears? Cheating on a good girl, Texas hideous, and then you went and got a big head like you Phineas.
It's every day, bro, with the same bully flow. Bully at school, now you bullying your bro. Diss your own brother, I don't really get it though. Stop bragging, just accept nobody knows your Disney show. It's every day, bro, with the same bully flow. Bully at school, now you bullying your bro. Diss your own brother, I don't really get it though. Stop bragging, just accept nobody knows your Disney show. Should've never cheated now, never cheated now. Got a fame from your brother now, and he's a better kisser now, better kisser now.
now. Now I'm fucking on a bitch now, on a bitch now. You used to be a...
Does RiceGum mean that he's strapping Alissa Violet? Is RiceGum actually a strapper man? Who's this guy? This guy can't even fuck. He can't even...
And you still fat now. They don't call me RiceGum cause I'm dumb rich now.
Yo, as you can see, guys, as you can see, that song was lit. And as always, guys, as always, on my videos, we always check the comments section. Look at this. Let me just refresh this. 93,000 refresh button. 171,000 views. Let me just drop a like real quick, man. I'm gonna let this ad play out so RiceGum get the juice, you know. We always share the juice, bro. RiceGum is the best ever. Smash the like button. Guys, my laptop is moving slow because I have Photoshop open. I know it's not the best, but it could fold. Isn't that cool, guys? Oh my god, that's totally cool, dude. That's so cool, dude. Like, I mean, it moves slow, but it could fold. As long as it could fold. But yeah, that was a good song, bro. That was a very, very good song. 10 out of 10 from me. The music video was good. Everybody is saying it was good. This man left porn just to come watch it. If this doesn't outsell Everyday Bro, I'll sue. It's pure love, bro. Pure love. Last time I checked Everyday Bro, it had bare dislikes. I don't know why. But this was a pretty dope video. If you guys enjoyed this reaction, I put a lot of work in it, in the intro. So if you liked it, drop a like down below. Don't forget to subscribe. And always love, peace. See you in the next one.